Warm greetings to all. Welcome to my class. It's my pleasure to bring you all to the wonderful world of plants, the most admirable thing in the nature. So, shall we begin? According to the pitch of my class, first my learners have to earn an entry ticket. And that is in form of a rhyming riddle. So, shall we read it out? It says, I'm green and brown. My branches grow around and sit on me and eat fruits sour and sweet. You play around me when you are free. Who am I? Any guesses? Yes, the answer comes as a tree. Hey, it's just not a tree, it's my friend. Hi to everyone. Okay. So here in the form of a story, because story connects better with everyone, I am going to narrate a story sharing the life journey of this tree. It was a time when this tree was a little seed. Can you see? A small seed all alone in the soil, and then with the help of its friends. What are the friends? Sunlight, water from the nature, nutrients from the soil. It started growing. Can you see? Just like when we eat healthy food, we grow, right? So this seed started growing, not only upwards but downwards also. The roots are there. Can you see these little roots coming out? The shoots coming out, and by it turned into a big full-fledged plant with so many parts. So let's quickly see what the parts of the plants are. The roots, the shoots, then came the stem, the branches, leaves, fruits, flowers, and to integrate it with the other subjects, we can I may ask my learners to count the number of leaves, right? And also recapitulate the English learning, that is one leaf, many leaves, one branch, many branches. This way, I can integrate it with other subjects too. Then, continuing further, now my friend tree, this tree of mine, can you tell me what all does it share with us? It shares so many things with us. Can my learners please tell me? The answers may come as fruits, yes. Then it shares the shade, then shelter to the birds, very good. Then the wood is useful, very nice. The leaves are useful. Now we can see that almost every part of the trees are useful, right? The list is endless and we shall talk about it further, but let's have a quick recapitulation with the help of this reflection activity where I have these jumbled cards showing the different parts of the plants, and learners would arrange them. Yes, you can arrange them and quickly revise all the parts of the plants, and this will help me assess the learnings too, right? Okay. Now moving further, I have these tactile cards where my learners, especially the kinesthetic learners, they can touch, feel and closely observe the different things which we get from plants. Like it says rubber, medicines, then nuts, wood, fruits, spices, fibers like cotton, jute, and then flowers and paper. So many things. To enhance the learning in a fun way, here I have this one box activity. Can you hear the noise? There are so many things kept inside. Now, my learners are going to come one by one, put their hands in, take out one thing and share it with your peers. Okay, just like I have these bunch of grapes. Now comes the sorting activity where I have two boxes. One says we get from plants, one says we get not from plants. So now my learners are going to share it with their peers, promoting the peer learning, that these are grapes, these are edible, and we are going to put it in this basket, that is we get from plants. Let's see with another thing. I put my hand inside and I have an egg. Yes, egg is an edible thing, but do we get it from plants? No. So we are going to drop it in this basket. Now this activity will recapitulate their concept of edible and non-edible, promote peer learning, and also help them in sorting, which makes their understanding clear about things we get from plants. Right? Now, we further move to the exit ticket. Right? which comes in the forms of these worksheets. These are also art integrated, where children have to draw their favorite parts of the plants which they have learned in the class, and this will enhance their creative art skills also, and also they are going to label the parts of the plants, helping them revise the topic. And now comes the connecting question to the next class. That is, I leave my children inquisitive by showing them this wonderful smelling perfume, right? Tickling their senses. This question comes that they have to name, give me the names of 2 plants or flowers which help you get these perfumes. So my dear learners, I hope you enjoyed this session and have a great day ahead.